Hi everyone, I am Phoenix Van Dyke, and guess what? I am coming to Vancouver Island. I'm going to be teaching 2 days of education. Now, you know it's been 2 years since we've been able to have any in-person education because of the pandemic, right? Well, I'm coming and we're gonna make this happen. So what do I need from you? Okay, first off, I need for you to please send me some emails. Send me emails saying exactly what you want to learn. Have you been struggling with something, or is there maybe some situation or something that you're dealing with in your nails that you just can't quite get right and you need some hands-on training? Well, let's fix that. So I need you to send me an email. Tell me what it is that you want to learn, maybe the things that you are struggling with, you need a little extra assistance, and then you have to come to class. Now, the first day is going to be free for all current Mirage Spa Education students. And so we want you to come. And then the second day is going to be a little bit more advanced, and it's something that we'll be charging for. Now, there's a lot of education to be had, and it's right there at your disposal for those 2 days. So send me an email, let me know what it is you want to learn, and then we want you to come. So don't forget, first day for students is free, and then the second day is going to be charged with. All those details will be in an email. So I hope to meet you. I cannot wait to shake your hands and give you guys hugs and let you know how proud I am of you for being a nail technician, because look at what the world has to offer for you. So we'll talk very soon. Bye.